at the Altamar School. The pupils in 6B are going to ask the play Treasure Island.
We're pirates, we're dangerous, we're wild and free. We sail our ships on the stormy sea. We've got a map and a compass too. We look for treasure, that's what we do.
This is the story about a boy called Jim Hawkins. His life with his parents in Ain. One day, Jim discovered a map in the inn. He showed it to his friends.
Hello, Doctor. Hello, Captain.
Hello, Jim. What's the matter?
Look, it's a map of Ireland.
It's a map of Treasure Island. Look! It's a treasure.
Let's go and find the treasure. Jim, do you want to come with us? Yes, please, Captain.
So the doctor, the captain, and Jim sailed on a ship to Treasure Island.
Wild and free, we sail our ships on the stormy sea. We sail north, south, east and west. Look, there's an island and a treasure chest.
But one night, the cook, a man called Long John Silver, had an idea. He talked to the sailors.
Instead, I'm a pirate. I want to steal the map of Treasure Island. Do you want to help me?
Oh yes, good idea. So Long John Silver captured the captain, the doctor, and Jim.
We've got you.
And I got the map.
Oh no, it's a cook. He's a pirate.
We sail our ships on the stormy sea. We fight with sailors, we capture them. We steal their ships, then sail away again.
Long John Silver and the other pirates looked to the treasure.
3 sticks lost. 1, 2, 3. 4 sticks east. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Meanwhile, Jim and Captain and the doctor escaped and swam to the island.
Come here. Who are you? I've been going and live on the island. I said the parcel looking for the treasure. I know what it is.
We're pirates, we're dangerous, we're wild and free. We sail our ships on the stormy.
Finally, Long John Silver and the pirates saw the chest.
Oh no, where's the treasure? The chest is empty.
Suddenly, the others appeared.
You know I'm a very good pirate as you. I discovered the treasure 3 years ago with Mickey.
Oh no!
We're dangerous, we're wild and free. We sail our ships on the stormy sea. We sail north, south, east and west. Look, there's an island and a treasure chest.
Then showed the treasure. He helped them put it on the ship.
Can I come with you on your ship, Captain?
Yes, of course. Can I come too?
No, you can stay here.
So they heard. So they sailed home and Long John Silver stayed on the island. What an adventure!